Welcome to the Simple Dad Spotify tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get your Spotify Wrapped 2023. So if you've heard the news, Spotify Wrapped has been released and it's available for everyone now. So let me show you how to get Spotify Wrapped 2023 for yourself. So before we begin, first you want to go ahead and update your Spotify app to the latest version. So you can do this by going into your App Store and updating it. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now on your front screen, you will see your 2023 Wrapped. As you can see, it's right there. Go ahead and tap on it. And now in this next screen, you'll see your 2023 Wrapped. Go ahead and tap on it to see your 2023 Wrapped on Spotify. So Spotify Wrapped will basically dive into your top listening moments of the year. Now for those of you who cannot see Spotify Wrapped 2023, let me show you how to get it. So first you want to go ahead and open up your App Store. Make sure Spotify has been updated to the latest version. Go ahead and update it if it requires an update. Now you want to go back to your home screen, open up Safari, search for Spotify Wrapped 2023 in Google. Now in the search results, you're looking for this link here, Spotify 2023 Wrapped. Go ahead and tap on it. This page will now tell you 2023 Wrapped is here. If you scroll down, you'll see click here for your 2023 Wrapped. So go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your Spotify app and will show you your Wrapped 2023 for this year. As you can see, this account does not have any Wrapped for this year, so you'll see this screen. However, if you're listening to music quite regularly, you will see your Spotify Wrapped 2023. And there you go, that is how to get your Spotify Wrapped 2023. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.